हाय फ्रेंड गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हूँ लंडन रे इंडिपेंडेंस डे बनाऊँ तो आपण सेयर कर आई होप कि भल लगे बोली आशा कर। बहुत सारा स्टॉल लगी सबू राज्यर आ बहुत वर्षा भी होती देखिए वर्षार भी बहुत लोक सारा देखा आज ये मुझे फास्ट टाइम आसी कौन कौन हो तो चलते देखा मुझे आपण सब जगह सेयर कर देखा बहुत बड़ ग्राउंडटा है देखा बहुत बड़ पड़िया आठी जहाँ भी स्टॉल लगी सब जहाँ फ्री थिला खाइबा पीवा सब किसी दौले चा पानी सब फ्री थिला। जातीय पताका उत्तोलन हम बोली स्टेज बनाई बहुत बड़ टेंट हाउस भी कर गोटे लोक रहा जेहेतु वर्षा बहुत जोर वर्षा होटे स्टेज ये नाच प्रोग्राम हम ये सब
Okay, ready? We are on air. Hello Ritu, very good morning to the listeners of Laika Gold Radio, and I want to tell you that I'm here in Navnet Center where the great celebration of India's independence is on, and very shortly the High Commissioner of India is coming on stage to perform the सेरेमनी ऑफ फ्लैग होस्टिंग। तो देवी और सज्जनों अपनी उपस्थिति का एहसास कराइए, जोर से बोलिए भारत माता की जय। You can imagine how many people are here though it is raining। ले आया है और जो अभी घरों में हारा चाहते हैं तो मैं उन्हें बता दूं कि ये नवनेट सेंटर हेज में है। प्रिंटिंग हाउस लेन इज द नेम ऑफ द रोड और पोस्ट कोड है UB31AR। आइए आपका हो रहा है इंतजार और आपके साथ मिलकर के माता की जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा हिंद हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 बहुत धन्यवाद योर एक्सीलेंसी।
We are, however, nonetheless blessed with the opportunity today to celebrate and to make aware everyone the fact that our beloved India has spent 78 years now as an independent nation, and our opportunity to do so in England is always very special. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming out here today to celebrate India's independence on India Day. An opportunity for us to celebrate and to rejoice in the diversity and uniqueness of our country. Just think, folks, of what a unique country we are. We have more languages than any other country on the planet. We have all religious groups on the face of this earth represented in one country. We have every racial type. We have every kind of climatic diversity and geographic diversity, from icy cold mountains to tropical forests, from equatorial temperatures to deserts. We have literally everything in one country. And we are the only country in the world to have become a democracy even at a time of great poverty and great difficulty. No other country on this planet, no advanced country has ever done that. Every other democracy on this planet became rich before they became democracies, true democracies. We are the only one who's done it the other way around. Today, our democracy is a leading economy. It is a nation that is seen as the hope for the world's economic growth. Indian economic growth is the engine of global economic growth today. Indian youth, Indian entrepreneurs are global names today. To take just one example, one of our telecom companies initially had BT as its primary investor nearly 30 years ago. Today it has bought 24% of the stake of BT. Indian companies are global. Indian investors are creating jobs and wealth and value, not just in India, but across the world. And Indian youth are driving the world in terms of entrepreneurship, in startups, and in terms of being leaders of the new economy. You, ladies and gentlemen, expatriates all who have come here from India, some still Indian citizens, some British Indians, all of you carry within you the spark of India in your hearts and the affection for your motherland in your minds. We thank each and every one of you for your love for your motherland, for your ancestral homeland, and for all the good name that you bring India. While I might have the title of High Commissioner, it is each and every one of you who is an ambassador for India. It is your hard work, ladies and gentlemen, your hard work, your good karma, if I may say, that brings India a good name. The fact that Indians and citizens of Indian origin are business leaders, thought leaders, and until recently even political leaders, have been an important part of giving India a good name in this country. Your good work will continue to drive the India-UK relationship. Your efforts will make India UK's natural partner of choice. And your help and investment in India, and I don't mean monetary investment, your investment of affection, time, energy and goodwill, that's all we need, will ensure that India will be the country of every one of our dreams. An India that stands for all people, an India that makes every person rich, better off, not just economically, but in a larger human holistic sense. We welcome that effort to make India the republic of our dreams. We welcome your support in making that happen, and we ask you all to remember in one simple phrase the word Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind! Bharat Mata ki! Thank you very much, sir. Your Excellency, आपने इनका संबोधन सुना. हमारे बीच में और भी कई गणमान्य अतिथि हैं, उन्हें सुनिए और उसके बाद मैं बता दूं कि His Excellency, the High Commissioner of India and other guests will be coming to your stalls as well. They will try to meet as many people as possible. सबसे एवरीवन से आपसे मुलाकात हो रही है, तो इस बारिश की परवाह मत कीजिए, ये प्रकृति आपका स्वागत कर रही है. मैं आग्रह करूंगा हमारे सबके हरमन प्यारे और 5 बार पार्लियामेंट में साउथ हॉल ईलिंग क्षेत्र का रिप्रेजेंटेशन करने वाले और पिछले 50 वर्षों से एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स का हिस्सा रहे भारत माता के सपूत श्री वीरेंद्र शर्मा जी टू से फ्यू वर्ड्स.
Thank you, Your Excellency, my lords, brothers and sisters. Let me bring you the greetings from every Indian living in the West London today with the good weather and the greetings on the 78th India's independence celebrations. Your Excellency, that the contributions you and the High Commission has made during this period after COVID is remarkable, and every Indian and the people of those who have the love for India has recognized the contributions of India, not only in Britain, not only in India, but throughout the world. Promoting peace, bringing prosperity for all, not for few. That is the vision and that's the message the Indian government has given. I feel proud being an Indian, son of India, now living in Britain, representing a constituency which is the most diverse constituency in the country. I feel that, as somebody has said, Your Excellency, that you can take the Indian out of India, but you can't take India out of Indian. We all proud of India. We are proud Indians, and I can assure you that everybody today here and the listening will continue to promote India's vision, not only in Britain, but all over the world. I also feel proud that where Mahatma Gandhi ji, Pandit Nehru and freedom fighters has given us a vision for peace in the world, now India is still leading on the peace to bring peace in the world, not only in one region, throughout the world. That's where I think the Indian government, especially Mr. Modi, should be praised for his efforts to bring peace in the country of wherever the troubles are. And I feel proud to be joining you this morning, and I wish you every success in the future. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Now I will request one of the immigrant जो किसी समय में 3 साल की उम्र थी, सारा अपना घर बार छोड़ के रिफ्यूजी कैंप में आए 1947 में, a son of a freedom fighter, from refugee to the member of in the parliament as the Lord Rami Ranjan ji.
Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Ladies and gentlemen, the High Commissioner has spoken very eloquently. I'm going to take some lesson from the High Commissioner how to deliver a speech which resonates with all of you. Vrinder Sharma ji speak from the heart. We have Deepak Chaudhary ji here, the man who controls all the coordination of the High Commission, and you can see everything is working like clockwork. Vrinder, thank you. Thank you, Vrinder ji also, and all these, our Shekhwat Kuldeep ji, for coming here and showing your passion and commitment to Bharat Mata. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a very, very important day in the life of 1.4 billions of us. On this day in 1947, we became independent and free. As a result, we became equal in the world. Once we became equal, we started contributing a lot more than we were as under the rule of the imperial power. So, ladies and gentlemen, your passion, your commitment, your dedication to come out in this weather is inspirational, to say the least. Going forward, we now have to play a very important role, as the High Commissioner said, that we have to play a very, very important role. We are the ancient civilization. We were ahead in every aspect, and we will be ahead in every respect once again. Now that we are united and a very formidable power in the world, we are respected not only by Mr. Biden, but also by Putin. That is the diplomacy of Prime Minister Modi ji. So we are a neutral country. We believe in peaceful coexistence. Wherever we go, we add value, we become a positive force, and we are respected. So ladies and gentlemen, I know you are standing in the rain. I won't take long, but all I can say is you have enriched this country economically, culturally. Now we must enrich this country politically. You must join political parties of your choice and become a force to be reckoned with. Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Jai Hind! थैंक यू वेरी मच लॉर्ड रमी रेंजर. पार्लियामेंट के अंदर भी और पार्लियामेंट के बाहर भी अपने देश प्रेम का अनूठा प्रदर्शन करते हैं. नाउ हिज एक्सीलेंसी the High Commissioner of India will proceed, escorted by our volunteers and Navnet staff. He'll be going to the tree plantation. वृक्षारोपण के लिए हम आग्रह करेंगे भारतीय हाई कमिश्नर जी को. Yes, please.
One small point for everyone in the audience. Today we are planting 2 specific trees here in tribute to Mother Earth. This is a special campaign we have launched globally, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam Mein. This is basically our effort in India and elsewhere in the world to help with reforestation. So along with planting trees here in the presence of Lord Ranger, Virender ji and all the dignitaries on stage, we will also be giving each one from the High Commission, each one of the regional groups and organizations here to plant 2 saplings to plant at a place of your choice. We ask you therefore to take pictures once you've planted the trees and say this is from your organization, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam Mein. हम सब Mother Earth को सलाम करते हुए we will plant trees now for Mother Earth. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And there are some other guests arriving, but after the tree plantation, आप जानते हैं भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहाँ
श्री जगन्नाथ दही बड़ा दिखाई सब फ्री रे
थैंक यू। अब बलजिंदर जी बताएंगे नेक्स्ट आइटम।
ये सरिया पास तो लोक कम है, आम भी पलू टिके